The Scafell 300 tent by Vango is part of their backpacking tent range and is Duke of Edinburgh's award-recommended kit, meaning it's got the seal of approval for off-grid adventures in the wilds. It's a tent large enough to sleep 3 adults, or for 2 adults with additional space for storing kit inside the tent to keep you and your expedition gear dry, whatever the weather. It's quick and simple to pitch, with a pitch time of just 5 minutes, and has a trail weight of just 2.69 kilos, perfect for carrying in or strapped onto a rucksack. The tunnel tent construction makes the Scafell quick and easy to pitch, and once pitched it can be packed away all in one, with the inner tent still clipped into the fly sheet. This makes it simple to pitch your tent at your next stop off quickly and keeping the inner tent dry even if it's raining. The Gothic arch poles give a perfect combination of stability and ample headroom when compared to some similar tents of the same class. Features of this lightweight but sturdy tent include Vango's TBS2 tension band system, which ensures that the tent performs well even in strong, changeable winds. Taped seams on the fly sheet and ground sheet give a fully watertight seal where panels join, and the fly sheet fabric boasts a 3,000mm hydrostatic head rating for water resistance. The O-shaped inner doors are easy to open and close with one hand, and the rain-stop fly sheet door is designed to stop rain from dripping into the inner tent when opened. Handy inner pockets are conveniently positioned for storing essential items safely and keeping them accessible. Whether taking part in the Duke of Edinburgh's award, planning a wild camp, or needing a tent that's light and compact for weekend camping trips, the Scafell 300 from Vango ticks all the boxes.